What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning R programming language. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel CorioWood. Alright, so this is the third video in learning R. So we go here at R project. You guys here is that's a link, https rproject.org. You guys needs to come here and you guys needs to download. And you guys, the first one says R is free software environment for statistical computing graphics. So you guys come here the first line and you guys can hear it's version at the moment is R version 4.1.2, and it was Friday 2021 22nd of October 2021. So it was released. Okay, so as the recording of this video, you guys can see that's the R programming R project page. So you guys can come here on and click download R, and you guys can come here. So this is called CRANE. CRANE stands for the Comprehensive R Archive Network. So you guys look at the pages. You guys look at the country, which country you guys are. So you guys can look at the country, whichever network you guys want. You guys from Australia all the way to Indonesia, Turkey, USA, and all the way ended to Uruguay. So and we're gonna click one, and if you guys look at here, I'm in Australia, so it's crane.csiro, and that's .au. So if you're there, our CRANE comprehensive R archive network in Austria, in Belgium, if you're in Brazil, Bulgaria, or if you're in China, you guys goes to mirror.tuna. That's looks like this university. So that's you guys can go in mirror. If you're in Czech Republic or you're in Denmark, you guys can click any of these, and I'm going to show you guys. If you guys click on one of these, like I clicked that CRANE CSIRO, which is the scientific organization in Australia, and they're providing the download because R is scientific. So you guys can go download for R Linux. That's R for Mac, and that's for Windows. So if you guys on Windows, you can download this one. For the first time, you guys click this one and you guys gonna go straight on the Windows. But if you guys on a Linux, you guys can do this one. So it's Debian, Fedora, Red Hat, or Ubuntu. Mine one is Ubuntu, so that's why I already downloaded. I don't need to download anymore. So you guys can download R from this source. And everything is straightforward. There is nothing to be confused of. If you guys learning R, it means you guys learning machine language. So machine learning. So you guys should be mastering this. Finding how to download the R is pretty straightforward. Alright, guys. So with the help of R, the next video we're gonna go to the R Studio. So we're gonna show you guys how to download the R Studio. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.